So guys, as you can see, na-receive ko na yung email from Bizillion na completed na yung dineposit ko. And check natin dito sa Bizillion, kung makikita nyo guys is na-accrued na yung dineposit ko na 0.005 BTC dito sa deposited account balance ko. Kung interesado kayo sa mga extra income online, legit paying application na pwedeng pagkakitaan or any application tricks, i-check nyo lang yung mga videos ko rito sa channel ko and don't forget to subscribe and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. Hey guys! Welcome back ulit sa channel ko. In today's video, i-share ko lang sa inyo yung update review ko dito sa website na Bizillion. Basically, ito po ay invest, wait, and earn na platform. And syempre, para kumita kayo dito, kailangan nyong mag-invest or mag-deposit. So guys, all about muna tayo kay Bizillion. Basically guys, Bizillion is a media agency na nagpo-provide ng services sa mga channels na nagbo-broadcast ng sport events, TV programs, streaming broadcast, and advertising pools. And guys, they work with international and domestic advertising agencies, streaming sites, major TV networks, and e-games. Alright guys, dito sa platform na to, meron din silang 4 different types of investment plan. First investment plan is sports broadcast where we can earn 0.8% up to 1.2% daily. Minimum deposit is 0.003 and yung max deposit is 24 BTC. And yung plan dito ay good for 144 calendar days and principal back po siya. Meaning, once na matapos yung plan na 144 calendar days nyo, is ibabalik po yung capital nyo. Second investment plan is Sports Broadcast 2.0 where we can earn 1.7% up to 2.1% daily. And yung minimum deposit is 0.003 and yung maximum deposit is 24 BTC. So same lang po siya sa Sport Broadcast. And dito sa plan na to is good for 100 calendar days. Pero dito kasama na ang inyong ROI sa inyong investment. And third is TV and Movie Broadcast 2.0 where we can earn 190% up to 239% total return. And yung minimum deposit is 0.003 and yung maximum deposit is 24 BTC. And this is good for 70 business days with principal back. Pero, hihintayin nyo munang matapos yung plan nyo na 70 business days, tsaka nyo lang siya pwedeng ma-withdraw. And yung last investment plan is Game Streaming 2.0 where we can earn 846% up to 1,020% total return. Yung minimum deposit, same lang din, 0.003 and yung maximum deposit is 24 BTC. And dito sa plan na to is good for 155 business days with principal back. And katulad nga ng TV and Movie Broadcast 2.0 na plan, hihintayin nyo munang matapos yung plan nyo na 155 business days tsaka nyo lang siya mawi-withdraw. And dito, updated na rin yung payment system nila. Kung makikita nyo, meron na silang Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Monero. And dito guys, meron din silang calculator profit para malaman nyo kung magkano yung kikitain nyo. And as you can see sa statistic ng platform na to guys, ay 285 days running na po siya. And kung iti-check natin sa Investors Protect, ay paying po siya. Alright guys, so meron din silang 3 levels of program from their different investment plan. So kung makikita nyo guys, sa Sport Broadcast 2.0, yung first level is 12%, second level is 2%, and yung third level is 1%. Sa TV and Movies Broadcast 2.0, yung first level is 14%, second level is 2%, third level is 1%. And sa Game Streaming Broadcast 2.0, yung first level is 16%, second level is 2%, and yung third level is 1%. And aside from their standard referral program guys, meron din silang representatives program where you can increase your earnings from the referral program. And dito guys, kailangan may deposit na kayo na total amount of at least 0.3 BTC. And you will automatically receive an increased commission from the deposits of your referrals. And dito guys, as soon as na meron na kayong total amount of 0.3 BTC na na-deposits, pwede na kayong mag-apply. And after being approved, your profile and contact info will be posted on their website on the representative page, which is dito sa page na to. So kung makikita nyo guys, yung total representative ng platform na to is meron ng 42 users. So the good thing dito guys sa representative programs, it will allow you to attract even more referrals. Kasi kung makikita nyo dito guys, madi-display yung names nyo and yung information nyo. Alright guys, aside from the referral program and representatives, meron din silang bounty program. So kung makikita nyo tong bounty dito sa top middle part ng screen ko, i-click lang natin yan. And mapupunta kayo dito sa bounty program na page. Basically guys, ito yung campaign na kung saan magbibigay sila ng giveaway free bitcoins or any cryptocurrency. And syempre guys, may mga simple tasks lang kayo na gagawin to achieve that goal. And first thing first, ito yung mga requirements. First is mag-register muna kayo sa company's website. Second is subscribe to the company's Telegram channel. Subscribe to the company's Telegram chat. Like the company's official Facebook page. Join the company's official Facebook group. And follow the company's official account on Twitter. So, bali guys, may tatlong options dito para mag-promote. So, first is Instagram, where you can get a bonus reward of 0.00025 up to 0.025 BTC. So, yung goal dito guys is to make stories with a review of Bizillion. And yung mga condition are make a story where you talk about Bizillion, tag in stories the official account of the company. So, ito yung ID ng official account ng company. And your account and post must be set to public. Your Instagram account must be at least 6 months old, and you must have at least 200 followers or friends in your IG profile. And there should be at least 3 personal photos in your account. Add the stories to your highlights and tag Bizillion. Second is rate as. So, dito guys, ang bonus is 0.00001 BTC. And yung goal dito guys is kailangan nyo lang mag-leave ng reviews about making a deposit or withdrawing funds, and you will get 0.00001 BTC for each comment. And yung mga condition guys are write a comment about making a deposit or getting a payment. Comments should be left on the page about Bizillion. Then, the comment must contain the batch of the operation. On one resource, only one comment per day is paid for. And then, after writing a comment, you must send a request for check. The bonus is accrued once a week after check. Then, deleting comments is prohibited. Then, last is video review. So, dito sa video review guys, you can get a bonus reward for 0.00025 up to 0.07 BTC. So yung goal nyo dito guys is to tell everyone about your work with Bizillion. So ang gagawin nyo lang dito guys is mag-upload lang kayo ng video about sa review nyo sa company, and you can upload to any popular social media like YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, or Yuko. And yung mga condition dito guys are the video should be about their company, and the video duration must be at least 30 seconds. In the video description, you can specify your referral link. So, meron po dito guys, makikita nyo yung sample na link. And then, the title of the video should contain the word Bizillion. And you can record a new video every week and get rewarded for it. Then the amount of the reward depends on the quality of the video. And of course, on the video, you have to show your personal Bizillion account where your login is displayed. And yung last, of course guys, you must be an investor to participate in this task. So guys, kung nag-apply kayo and nag-join kayo sa bounty program, your application will be reviewed within 8 business days para makita nyo yung result. Alright guys, so ang gagawin ko po ngayon ay mag-i-invest po ako or mag-de-deposit. So i-click lang natin itong make a deposit. And ang pipiliin ko pong investment plan is sports broadcast. So i-tick lang natin to and scroll down natin sa baba. And ang i-invest ko or i-deposit ay 0.005. So in Philippine peso po, yan po ay around 1,000. And then, ayun nga guys, so kung makikita nyo rito sa calculator, yung magiging daily profit ko is 0.0004 and yung magiging total profit ko po is 0.01 BTC. So dito guys, ito po yung amount na isi-send natin or i-deposit dito sa BTC wallet address na to. And dapat guys, exact amount po yung isi-send nyo. So kung ano yung nakita nyo rito, yan po yung isi-send nyo. Alright? Kasi kung hindi po yan exact amount, masasayang lang po at hindi po ma-approve. So send na natin. Punta lang tayo sa coins account ko. So guys, as you can see, na-receive ko na yung email from Bizillion na completed na yung dineposit ko. And check natin dito sa Bizillion, kung makikita nyo guys is na-accrued na yung dineposit ko na 0.005 BTC dito sa deposited account balance ko. So bali guys, gagawa na lang ako ng separate video for proof of withdrawal. And that's it for today guys. So kung nagustuhan nyo yung video na to guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press nyo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notified kayo sa next upload ko.